Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share the idea about how to insert the page number in Excel file. For this you just have to go for few steps. First, open the Excel file where you want to insert the page number. Go to Insert tab, then click Header and Footer. The Design tab will be activated. Select the area where you want to insert the page number. Then go to Design tab again and click Page Number. Then just click anywhere. Now you can find the page number like this. You can also insert the total page number, current date, current time as well.